Here's a simple question. Do you feel bad when an illegal immigrant's family is broken up because he or she is sent home and leaves the children behind? Well, of course I do. Who likes to see families broken up? But at the same time, I'm angry at the illegals who created the problem in the first place. I didn't force anyone to have a family when they were in this country illegally. That's just irresponsible. And that's the best case. In the worst case, such family creating may be a cynical attempt to make it harder to be deported. Now, just who is it who's really breaking up the family? If we deport a parent for being here unlawfully, there's nothing that keeps him or her from taking the family along. If the family is so important, then they should stick together and all take the same bus, boat, or plane to China or Mexico or wherever. If the family breaks up, it's not my fault. It's the illegal immigrant's fault. Of course, in today's world of it's always somebody else's fault, this logic is likely to fall on deaf ears and closed minds.